Hallelujah. Hallelujah. Shabbat Shalom. Maybe sit. How y'all feeling today? How good and how pleasant it is for us to dwell in, unity. I thank Yah this day, and I give all honors and praises to Yah alone, one. What come to mind is this. It's beautiful to praise the Most High. But we have to think about ourselves, right? Look at Yah's creations. If you notice Yah's creations, right? He made them to automatically upgrade, automatically evolve. You notice that? Self-sufficient, they do things, they evolve, they get better. Yes? Okay. We are part of Yah's creations. We are his creations, a great creation, masterpiece, yes? So if you find yourself not evolving, not upgrading, not getting better, what's the problem? It's just my thoughts. What's the problem? Are you not a great masterpiece of Yah? Are you not one of his creations? So what are we supposed to do? Not upgrade? Not get better? Not evolve to be better in his sight? If you find yourself the same for years, something is wrong with you. What do? Bethink yourself. A great man said, I change my demeanor in the sight of Yah. So when you watch things and you say, oh man, what am I doing? Just think of that. It's a nice day, it's a beautiful day, but let me tell you something. With the beautiful day, there's the opposite of, let me get a little serious, right? So we have to have a balance, a delicate balance, where we have fun, but then we have to think, what are we doing? What are we doing? What are we doing as individuals? Am I getting better? So that message I just want to give so that we can think. Just like how we have the Most High give us the holy days, we have a beautiful week, and then he says, okay, now relax. And it says the end of that, yes? Feasting, the end of feasting. He said, all right, get serious now. Relax. So I just want to give that we have to start thinking about what are we doing as a people? What are we doing as individuals? Are you getting better? Or are you the same? Or are you going down, which is worse? Which is worse? Are you getting worse? Are you the same? That's bad. Or are you getting better as a person? As a father, as a mother, as a sister, as a brother? Yeah? So these are the things we have to think about, even with the good times and the beautiful times, praising this Most High. The Most High that created all things, which created everything, even an animal, know when to change. A tree evolve and know when to change, to adapt, to get better. No? These are the things I think about when I look at Yah's great creations, us included. Hallelujah. Hallelujah. Stay strong.
Hallelujah.